The animals are off to the races, but the planes they're flying aren't the only ones in the picture. If you look closely, you'll see that there are lots and lots of other planes cleverly hidden in the scene. Paper planes that look like this. Find the hidden planes as the picture slides by, and count out loud as you find each one. There are 25 paper planes. In this round, you will have 25 seconds to see the whole picture.
Find the hidden paper planes.
Ready to roll? Let's do it! How many paper planes did you find? If you found 10 or more, you're flying high. Okay, let's try it again. Only this time, you'll have a whole minute to find as many planes as you can. Ready? Go! How did you do that time? I bet you found a few more. If you found 15, you did great. If you found 20 or more, you're ready for your pilot's license. Okay, let's go through the whole picture and see where all 25 of the paper planes were hidden. Wow, that was a tough one. Time to bring the planes in for a safe and happy landing. And get ready to take off on another puzzle adventure.